In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio with Canva. Whether you're showcasing design work, writing samples, case studies, or a personal brand, a clean, organized portfolio makes a strong first impression. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get from idea to a ready-to-edit portfolio in just a few clicks. First, head to the Canva homepage. Using a desktop browser gives you the clearest view of the tools. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in or create a free account. Do that so your work saves automatically. On the home screen, you'll see the main navigation along the left, and at the top, a prominent button for starting a new project. This is your launch point for selecting the right format and layout. Next, click the Create a Design button. Depending on your view, it may simply say Create. This opens Canva's Design Picker and Search field. Think of it as your catalog of ready-made layouts. Starting from a template will speed things up, keep your pages consistent, and help you focus on your content rather than wrestling with layout decisions from scratch. In the search field, type portfolio and pause for a moment to let the suggestions load. You'll see options like standard multi-page portfolios, one-page overviews, and even portfolio presentations. Pick the format that matches where you'll present your work. For printing or sending as a PDF, a document-style portfolio is ideal. For meetings or screen shares, a presentation-style portfolio can be more dynamic. You can refine by style and theme, and you'll notice many designs show the number of pages included. Hovering a thumbnail often reveals a quick preview so you can gauge the flow and level of detail. If you're working with a free account, look for templates marked free to avoid surprises. Once you spot a design that fits your tone and goals, click it to open. Canva will load the templates into the editor with all its pages on the side panel and placeholders for images and text on the canvas. That's your confirmation you chose correctly. As you review the pages, think about how each section maps to your content: an intro or cover page for your headline message, a selected work section for highlights, and a contact or about page for credibility. If the color palette or typography isn't quite right, remember you can adjust those later to match your brand. The key now is selecting a layout that showcases your work clearly and provides enough structure to tell your story. That's it. Go to Canva, click Create, type Portfolio, and choose the template that fits your needs. You're ready to start personalizing your new portfolio.